points in the descending order. We studied that all things. We'll move on to the next one, that is greater number and the smaller number. In the previous class I told you so many rules. Yes, 5 rules we have. According to the numbers, which type numbers are there, according to that we have to apply the rule and we have to solve the numbers. Yes, solve the greatest number and the smallest number. Before we start, we'll start with a short prayer. Okay, close your eyes children, all of you. Asatoma Sadgamaya, Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya, Mrityoma Amrutam Gamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Okay, we are praying to the Lord for our wellness, for our studies and for our families. Okay, we'll move on to the next content. Exercise number 1.3. We did half. Yes, I told you homework also. In the first main, 1 sum, and in the second main, 2 sums. Okay, totally 3 sums I told you to solve. We'll move on to the third main. That is, find the greatest number using the following digit only once. They are finding that, they are telling that they given a numbers. Okay, different digits they given. They are telling make a number, one number, that also the greater number. Using that numbers, the different numbers adavala. Avana use ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಏನು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, the greatest number. But the numbers will not repeat. The numbers will not repeat. Only once the numbers have to be. The numbers only once have to be. Sorry. The numbers have to be only once. The numbers will not repeat. Like for example, if we have in this one double time idra, a number mattomme repeat agabard bariyubekara. The numbers have to be only once. That type the greatest number we have to form. Okay, the first example is 5 2 9 4 3 1 8. They given a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 numbers. They given different numbers. Ee numbers in use ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಏನು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡನಂತಾರ, the greatest number. They are telling us to find out the greatest number. ಯಾವ್ದು ನಾವು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು greatest number? ಇದರೊಳಗೆ greatest number ಯಾವ್ದು ಐತಿ? ನಮ್ಮ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 9. So I will write 9 first. The second greatest number, which is the second greatest, 8. I will write 8. The third greatest is 5. I will write 5. The next greatest is 4. The next one is 3, 2, 1. Yes? Yes, we got these many numbers. That is 98 crore, 98 lakh 54,321. The highest number we got from using these numbers. We got what? The highest number, that is 98 lakh 54,321 we got. Okay, understood? They given a different numbers there. We have to find out which is the greatest number in this, and we have to arrange it in the systematic way and find the greatest number. This is the first one. We'll move on to the second one. They given one more, 4 0 2 0 1 5 7. ಹೌದಾ? ಇವನ್ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೋ ನಂಬರ್. ಇದರ highest number ಯಾವುದು ಈಗ ನಮಗೆ? ಮಾತ್ರ 7 is the highest. The next highest is, which is the highest? 5. The next highest is 4. The next one is 2. The next one is 1. The next one is 0 0. 2 numbers are there. So 0 0. ಈಗ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ನಿಮ್ದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತೀಗ? 75 lakh 42,100. Yes, 75 lakh 42,100 we got. Yes, 100 we got. ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಈ different numbers ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ಯಾರು ಗ್ರೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಐತಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅದನ್ನ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಗ್ರೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್, ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಗ್ರೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್, and the last smallest number we have to find. Then easily we can find the greatest number. ಹಿಂಗ ಅವ್ರೇನ smallest number ಹೆಂಗ್ find out ಮಾಡೋದು? We'll see it. Okay, the C1, the third sum you have to do by yourself. Homework for you. The third sum. This is the homework. Okay, today's homework, the third sum. There, in your book also they marked C, homework sum. They written a homework there, HW. So you have to write in a homework book. We'll move on to the fourth main now. Fourth main, same We did greatest number. Now we'll do now smallest number. Smallest number. They will give a different digits. We have to find out the smallest number. First sum 1, 7, 9, 5, 3, 2. Okay, they given like this. We have to find the smallest number. So first smallest number is 1. 1 is the smallest. After 1, 2. After 2, 3. After 3, 5. After 5, 7, 9. How the? What is the value we got? 1,23,579. This is the smallest number we find. This is the smallest number. This number is the smallest number. The first smallest number, after that the smallest number, next smallest number, it's go on. The last one is the highest number. How the lowest and the highest you want to be. We are finding the smallest number. That time we did the greatest number. Now we are doing the smallest number. Second one, 2, 0, 1, 9, 5, 7. Now the smallest number 0. 0 ಯಾವಾಗಿದ್ರು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಹೌದಾ? ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ನಮ್ದು ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಿಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. We not get a correct value. So first we have to write 1. After that 0. Yes. After that 2. After that what? 5, 7, 9. Yes. We got. So 1,02,579 my God. So third one is a homework for you. C1 is a homework. Third one, that is C1 is homework for you. How many sums we got? 2 sums for homework. 2 sums for homework. Homework will be, I will write it here. Today's homework. Third main. Today's homework. Please copy it, children. Don't again and again don't ask me what is the homework. In your video only I am sending the homework. Okay? Third main. C and fourth main C. Okay, 2 sums and extra some more sums I will send you. Okay, some more sums I will send you. Okay, next we complete these all in your classwork and only C sums you have to write in where? Homework book. Only C sum. C sum you have to solve in a homework book. We'll move on to the next content now. Okay, the next one is international place value chart. International. We did Indian chart. We did what? Indian chart we did. Indian place value chart. Now we'll move on to the international place value chart. International place value chart. Okay, Indian ಒಳಗೆ ಹೆಂಗಿತ್ತು ನಮಗ? Indian ಒಳಗೆ ಏನೇನಿದ್ದು 100 place we have. Yes. We have a ones place, we have a hundreds place, we have 1,000 place, we have a lakhs place, and we have a crores place. But in international we have what? Million place and 1,000 place and ones place. Only more. Yadraga in namaga Indian olaga. We'll write both now for your understanding sake. Indian place value chart. Okay. Indian place value chart olaga ಏನಂತಿತ್ತು first ones place we have, hundreds place we have, yes, we have 1,000 place, we have lakhs place, yes, we have lakhs place and crores place. Next one. Okay, from here I will write ones place, hundreds place, thousands place, lakhs place, crores place. Yes, we have these many places. In what? Indian place value chart ಒಳಗ ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ದು ನಮಗ. ಹೌದಾ? ones place ಒಳಗನು ಇದ್ದು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನಿತ್ತ? hundreds place ನಾಗೂ ಇತ್ತ. Yes, ones place ನಾಗ ಇತ್ತ. Next 1,000 place ನಾಗ ಇತ್ತ. lakhs place ನಾಗ ಇದ್ದು. Totally how many places we have? 4 places. But in which international place value system ಒಳಗ ಏನ ಬರೇ 3. ಇದರೊಳಗೆ ಏನು ಬರ್ತಾವ? ಇವೆರಡನ್ನು ಮರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಇವೆರಡನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು? ಮರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಮರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇದರೊಳಗೆ ಏನ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಇತ್ತ? ಇನ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ international place value chart. We have ones place. Yes. We have thousands place. We have millions place. But places are more of this. The difference you understood now. Here we have crore place, lakhs place, thousands place, and ones place. But here we have millions, thousands, and ones. Sub in Bartava we'll study now. In this we have, in ones place we have, ones we have, tens we have, and hundreds we have. Yes, 3. Idukku same irtittu, idukku same irti. Okay, 1000 place olaga. Again we have 1000 and 1000, 10,000, and one more is 100,000. ಇದು ಇದ್ರಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ ನಮಗ, ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಇದ್ರಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ, ಹೌದಾ? ಇದ್ರಾಗ ಬರೀ ಏನೇನಿತ್ತು ನಮಗ 1000 ನಾಗ 1000 ಇತ್ತ, 10,000 ಇತ್ತ. But in this we have what? 100,000 we have. What we have? 100,000. 100,000. Next in millions ಒಳಗೆ ಏನೇನು ಬರ್ತಾವ ಅಂತಂದ್ರ 1 million ಬರ್ತೈತಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ 10 million ಬರ್ತೈತಿ, 100 million. ಎಸ್ ಹೌದಾ? ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಏನೇನು ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದು ಈಗ ನಮಗ? ಒನ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತು, ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತು, and what? 100. 3 ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಏನು ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತು? 1000, 10,000. And ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಏನು ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತು? 1 lakh, 10 lakh. And ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಏನು ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತು? 1 crore, 10 crore. ಹೌದಾ? Difference understood now? Here in Indian place value chart, in Indian place value chart we have crores place at 10, 1, lakh place at 10, 1, and in thousand place we have 10, 1. And ones place 100, tens, 1. This will be same. ಹೌದಾ? ಇದು ಯಾವ್ದರೊಳಗ place value chart ಇದೆ? Indian place value chart. But in international place value chart, the totally difference. The totally it will be different only. In ones place we have hundreds, tens, and 1. In thousands place we have one more chart, one more column, that is 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, 100,000. Okay? ಇದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಾಲಮ್ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ, ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ? 100,000. And in millions, ಈ ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮತ್ತು ಕ್ರೋರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ನಾಗ ಏನ್ ಬಂತ ನಮಗೀಗ? ಮಿಲಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಬಂತ. ಈ ಮಿಲಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನ್ ಬಂದು? ಒನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ಓಕೆ, 1 million, 10 million and 100 million. ಮೂರ್ ಬಂದು ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ. ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಏನ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು ನಮಗ? ಎರಡು ಬಂದಿದ್ದು. ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಮರ್ಜ್ ಅದು ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಎದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ನಾಗ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಮರ್ಜ್ ಅದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಎರಡೆರಡೇ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಾ ಹೋಗಿದ್ವಿ ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ. ಇದಕ್ಕೊಂದಕ್ಕ 3 ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಏನಾತ? ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವ? ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಮರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಎಲ್ಲಾನು 3 ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಹೌದಾ? The difference you understood now? The place value Indian and international. The difference between the Indian and the international. First you have to learn that Indian place value system and international place value system. In international place value system we use million word. That is highlighted word. The million we use. But here we use crores and lakhs. Here we use million. And one more thing, here we use only 10 and 1. But here we use 100,000, 100 million. 100,000, 100 million. But here we are using only 10, 1. 10, 1. Simple word. But here we are using millions. 1 million, 10 million. Okay? Understood? How we use the international place value? Yes? Using this international place value system, we write the number names and in the number way. Okay? Names of the numbers and the numbers. Both we use using this international. Okay? Understood the difference between the international and the Indian? Okay. Today's homework is, I will write it clearly here one more time. Exercise number 1.3. 1.3. Third main. See sum and fourth main sum. Okay, this is the first homework, and the one more homework is draw Indian and international place value chart and chart using color. This is activity for you. Okay, today's homework is exercise number 1.3 olaga third main olaga see sum, fourth main olaga see sum. After that, draw Indian and international place value chart using color pencils. I want a different color pencils and draw it neatly, rows and columns, and write names with the using Indian place value chart using pencils. Okay, color pencils. Draw it correctly. Send me the homework, what all we did today, what all we gave today, and practice it one more time. See you in the next class. Bye.